Hey guys, what's going on? Here's a quick unboxing video. I just purchased the Sigma 14-24 millimeter f 2.8 for my full frame D800 D850. I just purchased this new camera and used my D810 as a backup, but yeah. The reason why I bought this Sigma 14-24 is because I used to shoot with this Nikon 14-24 and I needed a second lens for the hotel shoots, and yeah, this is gonna be like for my assistant. He's gonna be working with either this one or the new Sigma. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video about this, and later on I'm gonna also do a comparison with the older Nikon. It's a 10 years old lens, so it's an old technology. It's still more expensive than the Sigma. Sigma is a brand new technology. Yeah, let's I already tested a few times. I'm gonna do like another video about the comparison. It's the same focal length, 14-24 2.8, but it's Nikon and Sigma. So here's I already opened it, but then just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna show you the lens. Okay, the strap, all the paper, the invoices and what have you. Let me just bust that out. All that this warranty paper and stuff, and it's nicely in this Sigma, I don't know, like this bag, and yeah, let's take a look. Here it is. Actually, let me hold this. So the new Sigma is actually a lot heavier. Yeah, it's pretty firm. It's like made of entirely metal, and it's pretty sturdy and it's firm. What else? Yeah, it looks very fancy. Let me just take out this lens cap here. It's very similar to the Nikon, like the way it's built, but it's actually nicer. I guess it's because it's new too, it's more sturdy. Yeah, we're gonna do like a testing, but I can tell you beforehand already that I've taken a lot of photos already with this one. There's way less distortion than the Nikon, but you can just use Lightroom to adjust that, but that's fine. But anyways, I think the color is a little bit different. So here it is. Here's the Sigma 14-24, and yeah, I'm going on a trip, and I'm gonna shoot the next hotel with this. Here it is. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and join me next time.